This is why you need online tools. They're transforming how we access and leverage information to generate income. Ready to dive in? Access to knowledge is no longer limited to the elites. Anyone with an internet connection can learn new skills, apply them, and generate income through online platforms. From selling digital products on Shopify to using AI-driven tools for e-commerce and freelance work, these tools have democratized how we use knowledge. Our goal is to give you access to these resources, helping you turn information into wealth. Thank you for joining us today. Continue with us on this journey of turning knowledge into income. Visit our blog to explore how you can use AI-driven tools to unlock your potential. We created this blog to empower people like you, those who want to use technology and information not just for learning, but for growing wealth. With the right tools, anyone can make informed decisions and find financial independence.